students, I request all of you to use this opportunity to clear all the doubts you have regarding your preparation or anything. So please, now the stage is open for the questions.
Sir, this question is for Akash Singh, sir. Yes. Sir, as you said, you gave the 2 attempts with the job. Post that you have cleared in the next attempt when you have without job, when you have done attempted, you have went to the interview. That didn't give you, as you said, the pandemic was one of the impediment to get the job. After you cleared after you reached till interview, you said you wanted to take the job, but the pandemic was the situation. Is it the only pandemic, or that you want to add some more to the preparation? Like, I want to be clear that if you are reaching till the interview, you will be getting some sort of confidence, so that you can work along, you can give the attempts along with the job. Is it that so, or you wanted to give some more time for the preparation?
I mean, yes, when you reach till the interview stage, you definitely get that kind of confidence that you have it in you that you can clear it. And I think that was one of the reasons why I did not join a job at that time also, because once you're reaching interview and that too you're missing the list by just a few marks, you get a feeling that slight more hard work is required. And I think that drove me to work more again in a better manner for my third full-fledged attempt, I would say. So yes, there were multiple factors. I cannot say that there was only one factor of the pandemic that I could not take the job. I even got a lot of call from my friends who were in startups that they wanted me to join their startups, but I said no. I have invested a lot of my time, energy and money in this preparation, and I would like to see some outcome, and therefore that was the reason that I said, okay, let's do one more attempt. So that was the reason.
Sir, I want to dig more in completion. Like, what was you completed at the stage of till you reached the interview? What all the things you have completed? Like, you have completed all the static and current affairs, and you wanted to add the value addition, or you wanted to do the same revisions and all. Like, I want to focus on like the preparation, how long it took.
So revision is something which is to be done irrespective of whether you have done the validation or not. So revision was one of the key factors in my preparation stage. So, but with each stage you definitely have to do more, especially when it comes to things like optional, for example. The more you read, the better you get. And there's always a scope of improving yourself into the optional. So what I did was that I figured it out that there were some topics which I used to leave before examination in my previous attempts. Some of the very basic topics, like for example, cell wala topic hota hai anthropology mein, or last topics in paper 2, for example, national integration. That is not done by a lot of students, and they just leave it. And I also used to leave them in my earlier attempts. So I just made sure that whatever keyword is mentioned in the syllabus, I had notes into them. And this year's attempt, I did the same. That for each and every topic that is mentioned in the syllabus, I had made notes on them, and I used to revise those notes before giving the exam, and I think that has worked good for me.